Welcome to Future Dr. NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from Chapter 5, Magnetism and Matter. And today is not problem solving session, problem questionnaire session. That is, 7 questions will be spread in this session, and next session we will solve the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 1. A 250 turn rectangular coil of length 2.1 centimeter and width 1.25 centimeter carries a current of 85 microampere and subjected to a magnetic field of strength 0.85 Tesla. Work done for rotating the coil by 180 degree against the torque. Option A, 9.1 nu J. What is nu J? Microjoules. B option, 4.55 nu J. C option, 2.3 microjoules. D option, 1.5 microjoules. So by knowing the formula for work done with respect to current, length, etc., you are able to find the solution for. Let's move to question number 2. Following figures shows the arrangement of Bohr magnets at different configurations. Each magnet has magnetic dipole moment M. Which configuration has highest net magnetic dipole moment? Option A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. That is, different Bohr magnets kept at different angles. So here you should know the magnetic dipole moment with respect to that angle theta. By knowing that, you are able to find which option is correct. Let's move to question number 3. A charged particle, that is Q, is moving in a circle of radius capital R with uniform speed small. The associated magnetic moment mu is given by dash. Option A, QVR by 2. B option, QVR square by 2. C option, QVR square by 2. And D option, QVR. So by knowing the relation between magnetic moments and the charge, velocity, radius, you are able to find the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 4. The relation among the 3 elements Earth's magnetic field, namely horizontal component H, vertical component V, and dip del, are related as dash. Option A, V equal to BE tan del and H equal to BE. B option, V equal to BE sin del and H equal to BE cos del. C option, V equal to BE cos del and H equal to BE sin del. D option, V equal to BE and H equal to tan del. Here you should know the relation between the vertical component, horizontal component with respect to dip del and the total magnetic field BE. By knowing this relationship, you are able to find the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 5. 2 Bohr magnets having same geometry with magnetic moments M and 2M are firstly placed in such a way that similar poles are on the same side. Then its period of oscillation is T1. Now, the polarity of one of the magnet is reversed. The time period of oscillation becomes T2. Then compare that. T1 is less than T2, that is option A. B option, T1 is greater than T2. C option, T1 equal to T2. D option, T2 equal to infinity. Here you should know the relationship between time with magnetic moment. By knowing the value, you are able to solve this solution. Let's move to question number 6. An iron rod of susceptibility 599 is subjected to a magnetizing field of 1200 ampere per meter. The permeability of the material of the rod is dash. Given value mu naught 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Tm a power minus 1. Option A, 8 into 10 power minus 5 Tm a power minus 1. B option, 2.4 pi into 10 power minus 6. C option, 2.4 pi into 10 power minus 7. D option, 2.4 pi into 10 power minus 4. Here you should know the relation between permeability and magnetizing field 599, that is chi value. By knowing this relationship, you are able to find the solution for this question. Let's move to last question, 7th question. Nickel shows ferromagnetic property at room temperature. The temperature is increased beyond Curie temperature, then it will show dash. A option, paramagnetism. B option, antiferromagnetism. C option, no magnetic property. D option, diamagnetism. Here you should know the definition or meaning for Curie temperature. And by knowing the definition for Curie temperature, you are able to find the answer for this question. Okay, thank you students. So in next session, we will see the how to solve the solution for this question.